Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. I'm so excited to be here with you today to make this video. So if this is your first time seeing me on this channel, my name is Peter and you're welcome to this channel. You can join the community by clicking on that subscribe button, giving me a thumbs up on this video and turning on your notification bell. So today we're going to talk about how to grow your live stream on TikTok. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end and make sure you don't miss any part of it. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, talking about how to grow your live stream on TikTok. Well, the first thing you need to talk about is increasing your followers. The first thing you need to do for you to grow your live stream on TikTok is to increase your followers. Well, when I say increase your followers, some of you may ask, how do I increase my followers? I've done a lot and nothing is coming out. I've tried and I can't increase my followers. So how do you actually do this? Well, it's quite simple. Just create engaging content. Now, what do I mean by creating engaging content? Now, you would have to make a little research here. You'd have to check out those videos that people like to watch, people love to watch. You just pick a particular niche and then you make a research and know what people actually love, what they actually find interesting in those videos, and then you post those type of videos. That way you can attract people and gain more followers on TikTok. Now, when I say find out the videos that people watch the most, what they find interesting in those videos, I don't mean you should post other people's videos. You do not copy other people's videos. Trust me, if you do that, you're gonna get banned on TikTok. So all you have to do is to pick a niche, work on that niche, and then develop your own pattern, your own video, create your own video that will engage a lot of people. So you do not want to copy other people's video. Trust me, if you do that, you will get banned on TikTok. Now, the second thing you need to do to grow your live stream on TikTok is to create engaging content. Now, this one is a little bit similar or related to the first one, which is increasing your followers. Now, if you make engaging content, when you make content that people are attracted to, trust me, when you go live, they would want to come and see you on your live stream. Now, when it comes to attracting people to your live stream, you would have to post engaging videos. Now, what do I mean by engaging videos? Well, they are simply those videos that will attract your audience, that will draw the attention of your audience, that will make your audience to come and visit you whenever you go live on TikTok. For example, if you're a comedian, you would have to consider posting more interesting comedies which are capable of competing with other comedians. You understand what I mean? Like if you're a comedian and you post comedies, you would have to survey the comedy industry and find out what people are not doing in these comedy industries, and you might have to attach them to your videos. This kind of helps you to build a relationship with your audience and hence attracting them to your live stream on TikTok. Okay, quick pause guys. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you've not subscribed, please use this opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up as it helps the YouTube algorithm to show this video to more people. Now, if you've done so, let's continue. So the third thing you need to do for you to increase your views on your TikTok live stream is to pick an engaging title. So in this case, when you want to start your TikTok live stream, TikTok will specifically ask you to choose a title for your live stream. So when choosing a TikTok live stream title or topic, trust me, you wouldn't want to choose a boring title, because if you do so, people will find it difficult to join your live stream. So you would want to make it short and straightforward. Let it describe what your TikTok live stream is all about. In this way, you can attract more people to your live stream. Now, after choosing a title for your live stream, the next thing you would want to do is to communicate with people. So, after starting a TikTok live stream, you don't just sit and mope at people. Sit like this. You don't just sit and mope at the screen. No, 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 no. Don't do that. So trust me, if you do that, people are gonna leave your live stream and you might end up losing them like forever. So in this case, all you have to do is first of all, greet them and welcome them to your live stream. So what do I mean by this? Well, it's advisable to call them by their names when they join your live stream. For example, if you have a friend or a follower whose name is John, you might say, "Hello John, welcome to my live stream. How was your day?" Or "Hi John and welcome to my live stream." That kind of stuff. So basically, after greeting them when they come to your live stream or when they join your TikTok live stream, the next thing you would have to do is to stick to your title. So most times people choose a title and they do a different thing altogether when they start streaming on TikTok. So now for you to retain your audience on your live stream, you would have to stick to that title you provided before beginning or starting your live stream on TikTok. This would help you to build your audience and retain them as well during your live stream. And lastly, you would have to schedule another meeting with your audience. Well, this is the most important part of your live stream on TikTok. Before ending your live stream, you would have to schedule another meeting with your audience or with your fans. Tell them when next you will be streaming on TikTok and then you stick to that. Trust me, if you do this, you would successfully grow your live stream on TikTok. But note, it takes a little time for you to see the results of this process, so you have to be patient, my friend. You have to be patient. And with that, we come to the end of this interesting video. I hope all of you enjoyed it. And if you did, please do well to smash that subscribe button for me. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified whenever I post any of these interesting videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.